Welcome to our video tutorial this time. On this occasion, we will discuss how to install large-sized PKG files, specifically 4 GB or more, using the Irisman application on PlayStation 3. Irisman is a very useful file management application for PlayStation 3 users. This application has become a popular choice among PS3 users due to its advanced features and its ability to manage various types of files, including PKG files, which are the standard format for installing games and applications on PS3. In this tutorial, the focus is on using Irisman to install large-sized PKG files, specifically 4 GB or more. This is important because installing large-sized PKG files requires a different approach and often requires additional steps to ensure the success of the installation process. The purpose of this tutorial is to provide clear and comprehensive guidance for PS3 users who want to install games or applications with large file sizes through Irisman. By following this tutorial, it is hoped that users can overcome common challenges that often occur when installing large PKG files and do so smoothly and efficiently. Before starting the process of installing large PKG files using Irisman, make sure you have all the necessary hardware and software. This includes PlayStation 3 running the appropriate firmware, large PKG files available on your computer or laptop storage, USB drive formatted in NTFS and FAT32 format, Irisman application installed on your PS3. Also, ensure that you have sufficient storage space on your PS3 to accommodate the PKG files you are going to install. Ensure that your PS3 is running the same firmware version as the Irisman software. In this video, I am using version 4.91 on my PS3, so Irisman should also be using version 4.91. To check your PS3's firmware version, go to the Settings menu, scroll down, and find the System Settings option. Then scroll down again and locate the System Information option. You will see that the version I am using is 4.91. Next, download Irisman from the Brewology Store website as shown in the video. In this segment, make sure you download Irisman with the version that matches your PS3. You can switch to the Previous Versions tab, and in this segment, select Irisman and download. After that, move the downloaded Irisman to a USB drive formatted with FAT32. We emphasize that you should know the background of your FAT32 USB drive. The USB drive used on the PS3 system must be formatted in FAT32 format with MBR Partition, not GPT, to ensure compatibility and optimal performance. To check the partition type and demonstrate how to change from GPT to MBR, follow these steps. Before proceeding, make sure to be careful when performing these steps, as changing the partition type will delete all data on that disk. Open a CMD window. You can do this by pressing Win+R and typing CMD. In the command prompt window, type disk part and press Enter. Once in disk part, type list disk and press Enter. You will see in the GPT segment, if your disk or USB drive has the asterisk symbol, then you need to change it to MBR. To change it, type select disk X, replace X with the disk number you want to select, for example, select disk 5. After that, type clean command. Next, type convert MBR command. After this, we can confirm that the USB drive is now in MBR condition. Next, open Disk Management by pressing Win+R and typing diskmount.master of science. At this stage, we will redo the partition creation to make it readable in Windows Explorer. Next, install Irisman through the Package Manager option on your PS3. However, if your PS3 is running HFWHEN, don't forget to enable HEN. After successfully installing Irisman, reformat your USB drive back to NTFS format. Insert the large PKG file into the NTFS formatted USB drive. Eject your USB drive and insert it into the USB jack of your PS3. Open Irisman. In this session, press the cross button to save the settings. Press the Start button twice. Go to the File Manager option. At this stage, on the left tab, select the NTFS 0 option. On the right tab, choose the dev_HDD 0 option. Select the Packages option. Go back to the left tab, choose the large-sized PKG file, press triangle, and select Copy. This is the process of copying PKG files into the PS3. This is the scenario. Therefore, you are asked to prepare additional space to accommodate the PKG file on your PS3. After that, return to the main menu or XMB menu. Check the newly copied PKG file in the Package Manager menu. You will see that the PKG file has been successfully copied and is ready to be installed. Therefore, we have completed a step-by-step tutorial on how to install large-sized PKG files using Irisman on the PlayStation 3, PS3. Through this tutorial, you have learned how to prepare the necessary hardware and software, download and install Irisman, prepare PKG files, and smoothly carry out the installation process. Make sure to always check the compatibility of firmware and software versions, as well as ensure sufficient storage space on the PS3. By following this guide, you can overcome any challenges that may arise when installing large PKG files and do so smoothly and efficiently. We hope this tutorial is helpful and assists you in managing files on the PS3.